Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about Mucinex DM. Last year I went to the doctor and I was really sick for like a week, and silly me, I just was like, oh, I'm just gonna get over whatever this is on its own, and I didn't. I had to go to the doctor. I had a horrible cough. I don't think I had a fever. The cough was horrendous. Sore throat, having trouble breathing. It was awful. So the doctor gave me these little sample packs of Mucinex DM, and when I ran out of those, I went out and bought my own box because they helped so much. Mucinex DM, it's an expectorant and cough suppressant. There's 100% more than our 14 count maximum strength, and they work for 12 hours. They control cough, they thin and loosen mucus, and they have immediate and extended release. So there's 28 extended release bi-layer tablets. I bought this like a long time ago, I want to say like 6 months ago, and they don't expire till May of 2019. So plenty of time to go. Sign on the back, parents learn about teen medicine abuse, medicineabuse.org. So I guess be careful where you put this if you have teenagers in the house. You can choose from the Mucinex line of products to treat your symptoms. Regular Mucinex relieves chest congestion, thins and loosens mucus for 12 hours. Mucinex DM controls cough, thins and loosens mucus for 12 hours. And Mucinex D clears nasal sinus congestion and thins and loosens mucus for 12 hours. And you can visit their website, mucinex.com. So let's go to the back. Drug facts, active ingredients in each extended release bi-layer tablet. It shows you the purposes. So Dextromethorphan 60 milligrams, cough suppressant, and Guaifenesin, sorry if I butchered that, 1200 milligrams, and that's an expectorant. So for uses, helps loosen phlegm, in parentheses mucus, and thin bronchial secretions to rid the bronchial passageways of bothersome mucus and make coughs more productive. Temporarily relieves cough due to minor throat and bronchial irritation, as may occur with the common cold or inhaled irritants, the intensity of coughing, and the impulse to cough to help you sleep. So that was another thing too. While I had the cough, I was having a horrible time sleeping, because it's like you just want to sleep and the cough is keeping you awake and you feel the phlegm in your throat, and it's just really awful. And that was something that I was thankful to this product for so many things, but that was definitely one of the very important things, because when you're sick, the best way to get better is to get rest, and it was really hard to get rest when you have that urge to cough because you feel like you have the phlegm in your throat. So it helped to loosen that and make me feel better. And they have the warnings here. Do not use for children under 12 years of age, or for 2 weeks after stopping the MAOI drug. If you do not know if your prescription drug contains MAOI, ask a doctor or pharmacist before taking this product. Ask a doctor before use if you have persistent or chronic cough, such as occurs with smoking, asthma, chronic bronchitis, or emphysema, cough accompanied by too much phlegm. And when using this product, do not use more than directed. Drug facts, stop use and ask doctor if cough lasts more than 7 days, comes back, or occurs with fever, rash, or persistent headache. These could be signs of a serious illness. If pregnant or breastfeeding, ask a health professional before use. Keep out of reach of children. In case of overdose, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. Okay, important. Do not crush. For directions, do not crush, break, or chew tablet. Take with a full glass of water. This product can be administered without regard for timing of meals. Adults and children 12 years and older, 1 tablet every 12 hours, not more than 2 tablets in 24 hours. Children under 12 years of age do not use. And then they have the inactive ingredients listed here as well. Carbomer, homopalmer, type B, DNC yellow, number 10, aluminum lake, hypermellose, USP, magnesium stearate, NF, microcrystalline cellulose, NF, sodium starch glycolate, NF. If you have any questions, you can call this number. Distributed by Reckitt Benckiser in Parsippany, New Jersey. And these are made in England. They are for health, hygiene, and home. And I'm going to show you the size of the tablets. All right, so I don't have any issues with pills, like swallowing pills. It doesn't bother me, but I know that this bothers some people. So just a little suggestion that I have for you because of the size of the tablet. If you could see, it's not like huge, but like if you're comparing it to like a really small pill, which they have plenty of on the market, or like even like an ibuprofen, this is much larger and bigger than that. I don't know if you guys could really see. Just trying to show you, like obviously like twice the size of my nail. My suggestion to you is have these with a spoonful of applesauce or yogurt, and I just think it'll make the process of swallowing the pill go down easier. If you don't have a problem with pills, like the direction says, just a full glass of water, but I know that these are big, and I know some people do have an issue swallowing pills. So to just take these out, you just push tablet through foil, super easy, it'll pop out, and you just take one. Refer back to the directions, so I would just take one. You could take every 12 hours. Take one every 12 hours. All right, guys, so that was Mucinex DM. If you're looking for something to help with your cough or break up your mucus if you're not feeling well, definitely try this out. It's a great product.